So they said how to manifest him to be loyal. He betrayed me and now I asked him for time and space. I'm so hurt. First, I want to say I'm so sorry that you're hurt. I completely understand. And use this time right now. You need to validate how you feel. If you feel angry, if you feel sad, let those feelings come up. Validate yourself. And then you need to then figure out what limiting beliefs caused him to betray you. Now, I understand in a situation like this, if we're in a relationship and we feel betrayed by someone, we always want to blame that person. Like, why did you do this to me? I didn't deserve this. And of course, you don't deserve to feel betrayed, but we need to realize that this version of them had to get reflected back to us because of a limiting belief we still have dominant within our subconscious mind. So what you need to do is you need to go within your mind and to figure out what caused him to betray me. Do I have feelings about myself where I don't feel good enough? I don't feel chosen. I don't feel worthy. I believe that my relationships never work out, that everybody always leaves me, that everybody always goes for somebody else, that other people are better than me. Or did you specifically have a story going on in your mind about him where he's going to betray you, where he lies to you, where he cheats on you? You need to go within your mind and figure out what beliefs you were holding within your mind to get back this version of him reflected to you. He is only a mirror to your subconscious mind showing you who you believe you are. So once you go within your mind and figure out what beliefs caused this circumstance to happen, then you can start affirming the opposite and to start embodying the state of no. I am always chosen. I am always respected. My relationships always work out for me. I am always prioritized. I am irresistible. Nobody compares to me. My specific person is so loyal and committed to me. We are in a happy, healthy, committed relationship with each other. He or she is so loyal to me. They can't get enough of me. And when you change these beliefs that you're holding within your subconscious mind, and you are now telling your subconscious, this is who I am now, and you persist in that state, then you will get reflected back a different version of him, and he will start treating you as you are now affirming that you are. I intend that this answered your question. Follow me for more tips.